Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll explain how to get free UC in PUBG Mobile. So if you've seen website claiming they can generate unlimited free UC, then here's the important part. There is no legitimate UC generator or secret hack that gives you unlimited UC for free. Instead, check the game for official events, missions, promotions, and rewards that may provide UC or other in-game items. You can also watch for official PUBG Mobile campaigns or giveaways from verified sources. Avoid UC generators, modified EPKs, and websites asking for your PUBG Mobile login, because this can put your account at risk or potentially result in account restrictions. So there isn't a secret unlimited UC trick, but you can use official events and promotions when they're available. That was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.